Look
that's
at our
their
canal.
stress. I know that I'm a member, and I just show up,
Whoa.
I jump on the boat, I enjoy my days on the water. But when it comes time for storms and maintenance and boat notes and insurance, Freedom Boat Club handles all of those.
Your dreams a breeze. Our luxurious amenities make servicing your car a breeze. And specials like 0.9% APR make financing a breeze.
It's the Easy Breezy Summer Sale at Johnson
Yeah, it
Honda
works.
Stewart.
Located on Southeast Federal Highway in Stewart. Or visit us online at
Nothing. Look, there's ripple on the road. See that ripple? Look at. Look at these canals. This was a canal. Oh my God. Oh, like the front. This is absolutely crazy. Oh my God. I'm okay. Follow the yellow line in the middle. You're right here. That water is above this water. Wow. Absolutely amazing. There's only trucks going in and out of here. There's no way. Are any of these houses underwater? No, that one's fine. This one's fine. The barn is okay. Look at this canal. Look at the river coming over this canal. Look at it just pouring over. Look at that. Shoot, look at that. Look at this water. Bridge. This is our home canal. Wow, look at our home canal. Oh wow. Never seen anything like this. This is absolutely his pond is same level as the street. Holy cow. Now we're going on the way home. This is absolutely insane. I heard our railroad ties were floating down the street. Oh wow. Oh, we have a high point. Then we're going to get to a low point. Our house. that I have no clue where to park. Oh, there's our railroad ties.
Are you gonna ruin your pants? Oh, you're wearing big boots? Oh my God, it's up to your knees. No, you can't go. Look at Daddy. I guess he brought the important stuff with him because he carried a bag. There's Daddy.